Hi, I'm William Trbovich with Acur-it Auto Repair in Rohnert Park, California. We specialize in mostly Asian cars, American cars, and hybrids. We offer free loaner cars to our customers, and we perform same-day service almost 98% of the time. So it's not that you're going to be without your car for a long time, but if it's necessary, like I say, we have free loaner cars. We also have been rated #1 automotive business in Rohnert Park 9 years in a row by the U.S. Local Business District. And we're also a Sonoma Green business. That means that we recycle everything that we possibly can, and in fact we actually have a battery program once a year where people in the community can bring all their batteries here to us, and we send them through the proper recycle, and it doesn't cost them anything. We provide that as a service. So I've been in business for a lot of years, over 50 years, as I said. Obviously I should be retired by now, but I live in this community and I want to provide a service for the community where I can walk down the street or walk into a movie theater or a store and run into some of my customers, and it's always just a pleasant experience, and I feel it's important to provide this service for our community. So if you have a problem or concerns or just need some service on your vehicle, give us a call. In most cases, we can diagnose things over the phone sometimes because we're so knowledgeable on the products. But you bring it in, we'll give you a free estimate, we'll put it in a rack, we'll road test it, and we'll discuss your service requirements for the car. So our people here are all journeyman people that are fully qualified to answer any questions you might have about your automobile.